Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been digging into the science behind it, and it's actually pretty fascinating. Researchers say that gelatin has these unique properties that help it bind to water in our digestive system, making it easier for our bodies to, move things along. This is why the gelatin trick can be such a game changer for people looking to wake up without that bloated feeling. When you incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're essentially giving your body a little extra help in terms of gut health. It's not a complicated process, just dissolve some gelatin in water, let it sit, and then drink it down. The gelatin trick works because it helps to regulate the balance of gut bacteria, which in turn can help with digestion and even weight management. My friend started using the gelatin trick a few weeks ago, and she says it's been a total lifesaver for her digestive issues. If you're curious about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, I've got a link in the description below that dives deeper into the details. Check out the pinned comment for some tips from our community on how to get the most out of the gelatin trick, and don't forget to give it a try for yourself.